In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Discord to Carrd in just about 5 minutes. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you seamlessly integrate Discord into your Carrd website, enhancing your online presence and community interaction. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to the Carrd website. It's here where all the magic will happen. Once you're on the Carrd website, the next step is to jump over to your Discord account. You'll need to get your hands on that all-important invite link. It's easy to find. Just go to your Discord server and generate or copy the invite link. This link is crucial, as it will allow your Carrd site visitors to easily join your Discord community with a simple click. With your invite link in hand, go back to your Carrd site and let's start editing. You'll want to add a button element to your Carrd site. Buttons are a fantastic way of creating interactive, clear pathways for your visitors. In the button settings, you'll see an option to paste a URL. This is where you'll paste that Discord invite link you just copied. By doing this, you ensure that anytime someone clicks that button, they're directly taken to your Discord server. But we're not just adding a button, we want it to be inviting and clear. Customize the button text to something enticing and straightforward like, "Join our Discord." This not only grabs attention, but clearly communicates what clicking the button will do. It's all about making the user experience intuitive and pleasant. In addition to a button, you might want to add a text element to your Carrd site for more information or context. With this text element, you can create a hyperlink using Markdown. Wrap the text you want to link in square brackets, followed by your Discord invite link in parentheses. It might look something like this. Join our Discord, your invite link here. This provides another route for visitors who prefer clicking on the text instead of a button. Moreover, if you want to make things even more personal, consider including your Discord username or profile link. You can add this in a similar format to what we just discussed, making it easier for people to connect with you personally. Lastly, don't forget to finalize your changes. Click on Done to save all the updates you've made. This step ensures that everything is locked in place and your website is ready to help guide visitors to your Discord community. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to link Discord to Carrd, providing your audience with direct access to join your community, expanding your reach and interaction in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and happy connecting.